Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Facetime app and signing in. This links your Apple ID to the call. Once done, ensure Facetime Links is enabled in settings so links work for anyone. Now tap Create Link in Facetime. That generates a reusable URL you can share. You do this first because it decouples creating the meeting from inviting people, making invites fast and cross-platform. Make sure permissions for contacts and notifications are allowed so invites and replies appear promptly. With the link created, tap it and choose Share, pick Messages, Mail, or Copy Link to send directly. You can rename the call to give context like Team Check-in and add participants by selecting contacts before sending. Once shared, add the link to Calendar so attendees get a timed reminder. This helps attendance. If you copy the link, paste it into any app such as Slack or WhatsApp. Remember why. Sharing methods let you reach people on iPhone, iPad, Mac, or even via a browser link. When the time comes, participants tap the link to join. You as host can admit or remove people and use mute or camera controls. Make sure to explain how to switch cameras and enable SharePlay for synced media because that improves engagement. After the call, end it or reuse the same link for future meetings. If someone can't join, troubleshoot by confirming FaceTime is enabled, signing out and back into Apple ID, and testing the Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Those steps resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.